I see skies of blue, clouds of white.
Okay, it's Friday. It's the last day of your talks on Star Island. What are we going to hear about?
Let's have a little bit of drama about climate. We're going to talk about weather and climate extremes. Uh, do hurricanes really become more intense as a result of global warming? Do they become more frequent? Is the rainfall from big storms increasing across the globe or certain parts? Are droughts getting more intense? We're going to separate the wheat from the chaff in terms of what you may have been hearing out there in the media and among scientists, and talk about how it is, how do we know what we know about these weather extremes and what truly is in the cards for the next 50 to 100 years.
All right. And will we come away from that feeling a little better
I
about the
think we're going to
situation?
come away feeling hopefully a little less frightened, a little less anxious about the situation, particularly as climate change relates to big storms. And hurricanes, unfortunately, have been used as the poster child for among the most wicked effects of climate change. I've got some interesting things to tell you about that.
All right. Thank you. I'm really looking forward to it.
What a wonderful